On a night when a fierce storm lashed the coastline, the wind howled and waves crashed against the shore. Young May, safe inside her small home, peered out the window with worry in her heart. Her father was still at sea. Through the heavy rain, she spotted a familiar shape, her father's fishing boat, struggling against the monstrous waves. The boat was dangerously close to the jagged rocks, struggling to find its way back to the safety of the harbor. May knew she had to help. Her heart pounded, but a brave thought sparked within her. Armed only with the glowing lantern, May ventured out into the fierce storm. The wind tried to snatch the lantern from her hands, but May held on tight, her small body pushing forward. She walked towards the edge of the cliffs, where her light could be seen clearest by the struggling boat. From the boat, her father spotted the tiny, unwavering light cutting through the downpour. He knew it was May. Her bravery filled him with new strength to guide the boat. Back in the village, other villagers had gathered, watching the storm with heavy hearts. Suddenly, a tiny steady light appeared on the cliff edge. "Look!" someone cried, pointing. May stood firm against the heavy rain and crashing waves, guiding the boat safely towards the harbor. Her father's boat, and all the fishermen, finally reached the safety of the shore. May rushed down from the cliff, straight into her father's waiting arms. He hugged her tight, full of pride. The village elder told everyone that May's courage had saved them all, proving courage shines brightest when fear threatens to overwhelm.